The GLENCREAG RK104 retro mechanical keyboard pairs a full-size layout with circular keycaps and a wood-patterned top plate to create a striking typewriter-inspired look that stands out on any desk. Its mechanical green linear switches provide a smooth keystroke with a satisfying sound profile that makes long typing sessions feel engaging rather than tiring. The keyboard supports both 6-key and full-key rollover, so fast typists and gamers can press many keys at once without missed inputs or ghosting. An adjustable rear stand with a rotary-style control lets you fine-tune the typing angle, which helps reduce wrist strain during extended work or writing. A wired universal serial bus connection keeps input latency low and avoids the hassle of charging, making it a dependable choice for everyday use. Compatibility with a wide range of Windows versions and Mac systems means you can move this keyboard between different computers with minimal setup.